We have this question in a survey of 290 newspaper readers. See, one of them read Daily Times, 142 reads The Guardians, 117 read Punch, and each read at least one of the three papers. If 75 read the Daily Times and the Guardians, 60 read the Daily Times and Punch, and 55 read the Guardians and Punch. Draw a Venn to illustrate this information. B, how many readers read all the papers? B2, exactly two of the papers. 3, exactly one of the papers. The last one, the Guardians only. What we're going to do in this case is to begin to use that notation. Let the universal set be set of those who read all the newspapers. Yeah, that's for the universal set, which is what? Which is at 290. For Daily Times, let's use D, that set of those who read Daily Times. We have the Guardians. This is G, that's a set of those who reads Guardians, the Daily Times. Let's use P for Punch, set of those who reads the Punch. Then we are given, this is we have this one as Daily Times is 181, 142. The Punch is 117. We have 75 read numbers of Daily Times and Guardians. 60 read the Daily Times and Punch. 55 reads we have the Guardians and Punch. That's 55. Let's those that read all the papers, we have the, let's have it as X. We can get now Daily Times, Guardians. This is a P. Daily Times, Guardians are Punch. Want to find Guardians only. Guardians only, that will be equal to what? 75 minus X. Let me just do the preliminary kind of introduction to the Venn diagrams. This is where they overlap. This is my Daily Times, this is my Guardians, and this is my Punch. And this is where all the three of them meet together. That's where they overlap. So, for you now to find the Daily Times and the Guardians, you're going to remove this one, this X, from what? From 75. And that what? 75 minus X. And that is the Daily Times and Guardians only. Also get the Daily Times and Punch only. That also be what? 60 minus X. So you just combine D and your P. D and your P. You exclude your Guardians. So that's what? 60 minus X. And we can also get Guardians and Punch. That's 55. Remove this one from 55. That's 55 minus X. Those that study, that read all the papers, they are also among those that read the two papers. So I want to find only Guardians and Punch. That's why you have to remove this one, this X, from 55. So numbers of the Guardians and Punch. So exclude your Daily Times, Guardians and Punch only, and that's what? 55 minus X. So let's get the Daily Times only. So we're going to exclude the Guardians and then the Punch, and that will be equal to, the information for daily is 181, so that will be 181 minus, this is the place, minus this one, minus this one, minus this one. We just want to find this place only. So where those are circle overlap with this, we're going to take it away from that place. So that will be minus 75 minus X plus this place, and then plus 60 minus X. We just find this place as a Daily Times only. This one and this one we cancel, and that'll be 135. So minus 135, and then minus X, minus here, that's plus what? Plus X. So we have 181 minus 135, 46. So this place will be what? 46. That will be 46 plus X. Let's get the Guardians only. So we're going to exclude the D times. We're going to exclude the punch. Okay, so and that will be equal to guardians. We have 142. Okay, go to your Venn diagrams. These are guardians. So that means we are looking for this place only. So that will be minus, open your brackets, 75 minus x plus x, and then plus 55 minus x. We're going to have 142, this one and this one. 75 plus 55, that's minus 130. This one and this one we cancel, plus x. So that is giving us 12 plus x. Then we can also get the punch only. You are going to exclude your daily and your guardians, and that will be equal to punch. We have 17 minus, then come to your punch, so 60 minus x plus x, and then plus 55 minus x. So that's what we have. So if we combine these two together, you're going to have 117. That's 5. That's 115. This one and this one cancel. So plus x. So I have 2 plus x in that place. So that's 2 plus x in this place. So after that, we've gotten all the information we need, and we have the universal set as 290. So we want to find the value of those that reads all the papers, all the 3 papers. Okay, so it's going to be universal set, which is 290, equal to the total of these Venn diagrams. Okay, and that will be equal to the first one we have 46 plus x, and then plus 12 plus x, and then plus 2 plus x. Then we have plus, so this done, then 75 minus x, then plus this place, and then plus 5 minus x, and then plus 60 minus x. So that will be equal to 46 plus 12. Let's be doing that. We have that plus 2, that's 60, plus 75, that's 135, and then plus 55, 190, and then plus 60, that's 250. So we have 250. This one plus x plus x plus x, making what? Making plus 3x. This one and this one we cancel, and then this one and this one minus 2x, because what? 290. That's 40. 3x minus 2x. That's what? That's x. So that's 40 reads all the 3 papers. Then we go to the this part, exactly 2 of the papers. Okay, I got 40 here. Okay, so here 75 minus 40, that's 35 here, and then 55 minus 40, that's 15 here, and then 60 minus 40, that's 20. It's 46 plus 40, making 86 here. This 12 plus 40, 52 here, 2 plus x, so this 42. So the B2, two of the papers. So you go to the place where you have 2 of the papers. 2 of the papers, exactly 2 of the papers is here, this place. So it could be 35, or we also have it here, or 20, or what? Or 15. So that's exactly 2 of the papers. Okay, and that will be equal to 35 plus 20, that's 55, 70. That's exactly 2 of the papers. Then the B3, exactly 1 of the papers. 1 of the papers, it could be daily times, this one, daily times only. It could be guardians only, and it could be what? Punch only, which is what? 86, or 52, or 42. So add them together, and that will be what? This 180, or exactly 1 of the papers. And finally, B4, the guardians only. Just go to guardians only. Guardians only will be this place. That's 12 plus 40. That's guardians only. And that's that on this particular question. Okay, to smash the watermarks on this video, and what? And subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, and don't forget to put your comment through. Thank you for doing that.